Hello everyone, and what we have today here is the Samsung Galaxy A72. Yes, it was just announced during the Galaxy Awesome Unpacked event, and right here I'm just gonna show its gaming performance. And I need to clarify that this phone is not made for gaming. There are zero highlights about gaming even though it has 90Hz refresh rate. But then again, from what I can find out, this phone is actually using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G or the 732G chipset. They both have the exact same CPU core clock speed, but the GPU is entirely different. Now I do think that it's the Snapdragon 720G chipset, but whichever the case may be, this is the gaming performance of the Samsung Galaxy A72. Starting off with Genshin Impact, it defaulted to low graphical settings, so we'll just proceed with the default settings as of now. We also have to mention that we enabled GPU watch, which is why you can see all of the graphs and also all of the performance and whatnot. Those things will affect the phone's performance because we turn it on, and then it also have to constantly process the graph out and calculate all the frame rates and whatnot. That will definitely affect its performance, but we can't tell you how much because we need to show you the frame rate. And then we also tune it to the lowest graphical setting preset, but we change it to 60 FPS and see how things go. And lastly, we also changed the graphical settings all the way to the lowest at 30 FPS and also tested how the game runs. Next up, we have PUBG Mobile. This is a bit of a funky situation as what we have here is only either high graphical settings at high frame rates or balanced graphical settings or smooth graphical settings at ultra frame rates. For me personally, I do prefer high frame rate, so I'll go for ultra frame rate. But as for graphical settings, we'll just settle for balance as of now. Now as for COD Mobile, we can go to the maximum frame rate but only at high graphical settings, which is kind of similar with all of the other smartphones that we tried in the recent months. But the funny thing is COD Mobile has quite a lot of frame drops, as you can see in this part of the video right here. I'm not too sure if it's because we got the GPU watch enabled or not, but then again, this is what's happening to our unit. Now I presume in the following week, Samsung will push some updates to optimize its performance even further, because the Snapdragon 720G is actually much more powerful than it seems. But then again, if you're looking to buy the Samsung Galaxy A72 for gaming, this video will show you what to expect. And
hostile stealth chopper inbound. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have the hardpoint. It's empty. Enemy spotted. Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. contested. Let's move. Hardpoint contested.
Enemy in sight. Keep back.
Hardpoint contested. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Enemy sentry gun has been destroyed. Hardpoint locked down. Friendly shock RC is ready. Hardpoint identified.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hostile sentry gun in your AO. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Let's move. Enemy contact.
Hardpoint locked down. Warning, enemy nuke has been launched. Enemy nuke has been launched. Hardpoint contested. Heads up, enemy UAV spotted. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost.
Let's move. Let's go.
Be advised, hostile stealth chopper inbound. Friendly shock RC is coming.
Let's move.
Hardpoint identified.
Reloading. Cover me. Need backup. Enemy down.
Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Enemy in sight. Let's move.
Pick it up, team.
Contact with enemy. I'm hurt. Target down.
And we also have a full unboxing video of the Galaxy A72 at the top right corner there or at the end screen. Check that out as well. And that's all for this video. I hope you have a nice one and stay safe everyone. Goodbye.